Wood fences are beautiful and can provide privacy, adding to the security and safety of your home. Installing wood fences is usually left to professionals. You can choose a company that will build your wood fence panel by panel. Installing wood fences is a great way to protect your home, your property, and your children. In today's society, many people feel unsafe just letting their children play in the backyard. By installing wood fences, you can rest assured that you have created a safe environment and that your children and their friends can enjoy being in the backyard. You'll want your wood fence to be level, sturdy, and durable. Hiring a professional can ensure these things, as well as save you the time and manpower of installing the fence yourself. When installing wood fences, you will begin by choosing a fence contractor. You will need to make sure that the fence contractor is licensed and qualified. You may also need to contact your local city hall to make sure that you aren't in violation of any zoning codes. Once that is squared away, you can begin installing wood fences for your security and safety. Not only will your wood fence give you security, but it will also help give you privacy with your neighbors, allowing for you to enjoy the sanctity of your own backyard. Looking for wood fencing installation on your Charleston property? Contact Charleston-Fence-Works at 843-595-8276 for a free no-obligation quote today.